The Crocodile and the Monkey. Once upon a time, there lived a crocodile in a lake surrounded by green grasses, sweet as diamond trees, and beautiful mountains. There also lived a happy monkey at the diamond tree near the lake. The monkey and the crocodile became friends with each other. The crocodile would visit the monkey each day. The monkey used to offer him with sweet jam and fruits from the tree. One day, the crocodile took the jam and fruits to his wife. The greedy wife crocodile, after having the fruit, said to her husband, "Imagine how sweet the monkey's heart would taste as he eats these lemons every day." So the wife crocodile asked her husband to bring the monkey to their home. Next day, the crocodile went to the monkey and invited him to his home for lunch. The monkey happily accepted the invitation and asked the crocodile, "How I would came with you in the lake? I don't know swimming." The crocodile offered him a ride on his back. After reaching few distance, the crocodile tried to push down the monkey into the lake to kill him. The monkey was shocked and asked his friend crocodile about the happening. The crocodile explained to the monkey about the conversation with his wife late night and the plan to have his heart. The monkey quickly got a clever idea to escape. He told the crocodile, "Oh, my friend, I left my heart on the tree. Let us go back and bring it." The foolish crocodile believed the monkey and brought him back to the tree. At once, the clever monkey climbed onto the tree and escaped. The person who wants to cheat others will be cheated and lose everything.